Okay, so in this video we'll see the set operation, Python set operation. So first we'll see the union. Let's say have two sets. Let's have 1 6 8, and then I have a set B called, it is having 0 3 and 4. Okay, so these are two set A and B. Now to perform a union operation we can do two ways. We can use this pipe symbol A and B. So A or B, so this is one way, and so you see it has included all the elements, right? And we can also do A union B, that also will give the same result. Now let's look into the let me change this to 5. Okay, these are the sets, and then we'll see the intersection. So intersection is we can use by, so let me put a union, so just a comment, union, and this is also union, and this is your intersection, right? So intersection, right? So A and B, so this is how, so only common between them is 5, right? And then that's obvious, and also we can use this A intersection B, so we are getting the results now. Okay, now let's find the difference between A and B. So we'll find the difference between A and B, difference between A minus B, and let's see B minus A. Okay, so I have already shown you how so it will be in this case all the element of set A which is not common with B, and all the sets element of B which is not common with A, right? So that is one thing. And the last thing is symmetric difference. So to check the symmetric difference, right? So that we have this symbol, okay, and also a symmetric difference. So these are few which we can look into. Generally we use intersection, unions and stuff like that. However, there are if you go to